Oi. Pepper. All right. So they brought the entire sea spread with them. Whew. No one can tell us that we are not at Little Ochi right now. So, hold on a minute. Don't worry, I'm a soldier. So, imagine what you can expect at their upcoming seafood festival. Owner Everald Christian, my brethren, and head chef Garrett Curlew, who never tell me say it was pepper until we must taste the thing. Boy, never seen nothing hot so. Morning to you both.
Morning.
Before you tell me what is going on and where it is going on, explain everything that you have brought here. Come, who working with me, camera? Camera working with me. Hey, here.
Garlic crab.
Garlic crab. That is garlic crab right here.
Grilled lobster.
Grilled lobster right here.
We have roast, moonshine, turbot, and chungfish.
Moonshine.
Yeah, man, moonshine is a fish where fishermen don't really sell.
So this is this is moonshine.
Yeah.
This is turbot.
Turbot.
I know turbot.
Chungfish.
Chunk
Fish, yeah.
fish. I've never. Why them don't sell moonshine?
Well, every fisherman just take it home and prepare it for themselves, yeah?
What
the fisherman special.
Is that
Yeah, man, you just take off the skin and peel flesh, yeah?
moonshine? I've
Moonshine,
never
yeah.
heard of a fish castle.
Grilled conch,
Grilled conch.
boiled crab.
The crab that look like him still alive, you know. This crab right here look like it will be bite off my finger.
Natural steamed fish.
Natural steamed fish.
Fried crab.
Fried crab.
Brown stew lionfish.
Brown stew. Lionfish. By this pepper thing and I played me, you know. Over here.
Escovitch fish.
Escovitch fish.
Stew lobster.
The pepper on this one?
No, man, no pepper, yeah.
Stew lobster.
Fried lobster.
Fried lobster.
Lemon barbecue crab. Jerked fish. Filed roast fish.
What?
Filed roast.
Foiled roast.
This is roast and dipped. Dr. Fish and Wenchman. You know, anybody who know seafood, know Dr. Fish and Wenchman. That is boiled lobster.
All right. Guys, what you making?
I'm doing a shrimp pasta, coconut.
We stop for. But I don't understand. All right, tell me what. How much years is this now, Bridget?
19 stages of a little Ochi seafood carnival. It will be this Sunday the 9th.
Yeah. And you get the name because you're not in Ochi race. But a man said this is like a little Ochi race.
Yeah, that's where the name
I know
derived from,
these
yeah.
things. Oh, I know that. I know these things. All right, so it's this Sunday.
Yeah, this Sunday.
And all of this will be there.
Yeah,
not
we have-
all of
yeah,
this
man,
because
we
like
have-
we eat our plenty of it, so not all of it.
I have like around 6 other seafood restaurants joining with us. We have White Sun out of Rocky Point. We have Alligator Pond Jerk Hut. We have 1838 seafood and pasta. So it's a whole line of seafood. But why I carry this spread today is to show my patient who's coming down. We have an all-you-can-eat section where you buy an armband and you just go inside there and eat. No wrapping up, but just eat from 10 till 4 p.m.
Well, me have a man already, you know. So I'll be there eating. I will ask a very stupid question. Is only seafood?
Well, only seafood, look at what you will be serving. My daughter and my son, they have another part of the business. So some are planning to do a little chicken, so I'm planning to do
Okay.
okay. So
But basically, it's a seafood thing, basically.
It's a seafood carnival.
And your other friends who come will be, yeah. There's a cost to come in?
Yeah, $1,200 for adults, $500 for children.
Oh, there is. Garrett, where you do?
Me are throwing the shrimp now.
Why you not telling me these things?
No, through you did it and you're talking, you're not interested over my food. So
I'm
me allow
interested,
you.
that's why I asked.
So me allow
what you
you.
put in there already?
Me throwing the pasta,
Yeah.
the coconut milk.
Yeah?
All of me prepping, throwing already. So the shrimp me are throwing the one then me and then me I had. some cheese to it also. So
No, when you say you're going to add, what we are waiting on to add it?
Yeah, man, when it simmer down for the next 2 minutes, then we add the rest.
Oh, you have 2 minutes and 6 seconds.
Yes.
I'm confused. I don't know which proper start.
You can try our lemon barbecue.
You can go and confuse. All right, so you have music and thing and entertainment.
We have Besa this year and Red Rose out of Mandeville.
Yeah?
We have Laden from Junction. We have Jamil. We have in 2 Trinidadian artists because it's a soca mix. Oscar B and Lima.
I know this thing.
We have Rankin Pumpkin.
You have Ranking Pumpkin.
We have Oscar B, but most of our we have to thank my sponsors, them, you know.
Yeah.
Jamaica Tourist Board, Excelsior.
Yeah.
And this is the exclusive water for the seafood.
Is that really you plan to wait up the whole place?
Yeah, well, this is
Exclusive
water for the seafood carnival.
Hold on a second. Guy, what you doing?
May I sprinkle the cheese now?
Why you not telling me?
All right, may I tell you now?
Okay.
May I sprinkle the cheese now?
Yeah?
If you give it that nice gummy taste to it.
Yeah.
Understand?
Them shrimp they can't eat her for the cooking.
Well,
They can eat.
you can eat right now, but do I dip for it? That never fried a while ago.
I mean, never realized the hottest thing me ever tasted in my life.
Where's the dip?
There.
Jesus, him throw a light pan it. Left not drown everything, please.
There. It had like fire. So,
So we say no never.
the all you can eat is, don't you have all you can eat pasta?
Yes, pasta, everything that.
So all you can eat include all you can eat.
all you
everything.
can eat. You can go to the lobster hut, eat as much lobster as you want. The band costs only $5,000.
The band?
The band.
My band here?
Yeah,
$5,000.
$5,000. So if you can eat all of this for $5,000, you just eat and go.
Everything.
And we can't run out of fish.
You know pepper?
You must be mad,
And
man.
a different sauce him give me?
No, the same thing him give me.
It's very spirited.
And that would mean what, please?
I tell you, when you go off the ear.
Oh, off the ear?
Never ready, never.
Eh?
Ready for you.
It ready?
Yeah, I'm ready for you, man.
Oh, look at Ochi fish them big so.
Ready for you.
You put cheese in there, no?
Yes, man. Everything in it.
Yeah.
See there?
You not for eat cheese now. You said this morning you get up and you couldn't talk.
Something to forget on that.
Wait, man. Don't worry.
Don't get in.
Wait, no, Gary. I went sort it out. You done?
Yes.
Hold on, no. Wait. Let me taste that. Tell me what I want. Is it
See it?
yummy for your tummy?
All part of your body.
Come down, Blackatouche now. Tell me what I want now. So this Sunday, what time?
Gate open at 10, and we get permission from the Mandeville police, who are working very close with us, so we can go until 2 a.m.
Right.
Yes,
Where is the Ochi?
Alligator Pond, right on the beachfront.
Oh, you reached there.
Come down Spurtree if you're coming from Kingston.
Turn left to
Come
Junction.
Alan Bamboo if you're coming from Montego Bay.
Kingston we are talking about now. So come down Spurtree.
Come down Spurtree.
Turn left at
Butters. No left, no right, straight into Alligator Pond.
Straight
You
down
just drive straight and you
Straight
don't end
to
up
the city
straight.
water.
Straight in the sea, yeah.
to the sea.
Eh?
Yeah, miss.
You know understand. I mean just hold some lobster.
Yeah,
All
well.
right, and you say how much?
$1,200 general
Yeah.
for adults.
What time the entertainment start?
Entertainment starts at 2 p.m.
How much for all you can eat?
$5,000.
And that means you can eat all you can eat.
all you can eat.
But there's a special area that all you can eat.
Yeah,
and I can just
special,
walk
yeah.
up and down and
No, there's a special area zone for that.
And the
let's
time
suppose
is...
when the food done, I still hungry and want more.
Can't
Food can't run out.
run
of
out.
the watch.
Can't run out.
Can't run out.
Guys, where you do?
Maybe I'm going to take out a pot because you know
I
what I
true,
know.
they
So,
never
you
say
don't
Marvin
tell me.
eat yet, but food can't run out.
Oh, it go, oh, it. Entertainers, who?
Yeah, we have Laden, we have Jamil, we have Lima, we have Rankin Pumpkin, we have George Nook, we have Oscar B.
Sponsors?
Sponsors, we have Jamaica Tourist Board, we have Excelsior, we have 876 Water, we have Smirnoff, we have IRFM, we have
Where you go
TVJ.
call that for, man? I want to that man, man. All right, that's all. I'm a friend of mine.
Yeah,
You
man.
can call it. I'm a friend
Yes,
of
we
mine.
have Michelle's in Junction.
All right, good to see you, my Bridget.
It's a
Always
pleasure,
good to
man.
see you.
God bless
And
you.
on behalf of, can you live in this?
Yeah, man, all years.
So on behalf of Jody,
Antonia.
who will eat every single thing. What? Come here.
Antonia. That's why me finish it, you know.
Wait, no.
Have
What?
this plate about
No,
you set me
no,
to
come
get
here,
up.
Jody. Look at Jody coming in. Come here, Jody. Come here. Look at you're on television. So on behalf of Jody.
Antonia.
Girl, respect. Although you nearly matched me up with something. So. All right, so go out and support. 19 years.
19
And it's a
stage,
great, I can tell you this guy, as a man who eats
Seafood.
seafood is the greatest seafood you'll get in life.
What's the name of the fish? Is Kingfisher name?
Lionfish.
Lionfish. Little Ochi is the first place I had jerk
You have,
Lionfish.
you have a brown stew lionfish over there.
This one right here.
Yeah, Little Ochi is the first
Yeah.
place I've had him.
All right. All right. Owner, Everett Christian. I don't call him.
What this
Black-
right
I just
here,
give him another
Milk
name.
conch.
And head chef,
You know about that one?
Garrett Curlo. By the way,
You
know,
know,
I'm
we
not
go try
iced
we
up.
go further.
Yeah,
than
man.
this.
Well,
oyster
we'll be having an oyster stand on the day.
so you don't bring no oyster?
Well, we couldn't reach it this one.
Why you need
We just-
oyster?
Eh? It's not on behalf of Jody. On behalf of Delia. All right, 10 minutes to your health. If anybody still can stand up after we eat this, because the show is sold out.